Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial today, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Bigo account on your Android device. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to create a Bigo live account on your Android phone or your mobile, first let's download the Bigo app from the Play Store, and let's go to the Play Store, and on the top there is a search bar. Tap over there and type in Bigo Live, and you can see the Bigo Live on the top. Let's tap there and you can see the Bigo Live over here, and beside it it's the install button over here, and let's tap on install to install the application on our device. And let's wait for the downloadation or the installation process to be completed. And it has been installed. Let's open it, and you can see on the first interface of Bigo Live will be required to enter our phone number over here. Now let's enter our phone number, or you can just sign up with your Facebook account or your Twitter account from over here, where you can see the Facebook or the Google or the Twitter button. But now we'll be preferring our number, so let's type in our number, and after that tap on next, and after that a verification code will be sent to you on your mobile. And I have received my verification code. Let's enter the code and let's tap on next, and after that we'll be required to enter or create a strong password for the sign up process. And guys, when you create a password, make sure to use a capital number, a small number, and some extra characters with some numbers. And let's tap on sign up, and let's create a username for ourselves on the Bigo Live. And I have created my username. Let's go back and tap on next, and let's enter our details like our gender and our birthday to customize our Bigo Live account. Let's go, and when you tap on these dates, you can see we are on the calendar. Now after that, let's tap on confirm, and after entering our date, let's tap on next. And after that, you can see you will be required, or you'll be shown the top trending broadcasts on Bigo Live itself. And with that said, let's tap on start. And there guys, we have successfully created a Bigo Live account on our Android phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.